Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Pinterest. Alright, so let's just go right into your App Store. Under your App Store, you guys will see right here your very almost last option. Second last option will be updates. That's just beside search. And here we're going to see Pinterest. So you can update it from here. Now let's say you guys don't see the update here. Don't worry about it. Just go right into your search. Type in Pinterest. And from here should come up and you guys can tap on update. Once you guys tap on update, it might ask you for your passcode. If you don't have one, it won't ask you for one. It depends on your settings as well. Anyways, that's how you update it. Now let's say you don't see an update and you know there's new features that came with a certain update for Pinterest. Well, good news, you guys can update your iOS. Maybe you guys need that. So let's just go right into your settings. Under your settings, scroll down, go into general. Under general, your second option will be software update. Under software update, you guys will see if you guys need to update your iOS. So maybe you guys are in iOS 10 now and you guys maybe need to update to iOS 12 in order to get these updates with all these apps that come around. So do that at this moment. If you guys see something like this, like your software is up to date, then you're all good to go. Now, if you guys have an iPad 2, for example, which is stuck in iOS 9, there's no real way to update it to iOS 12 in order to update any of those apps that you guys want to update. So don't fall for any scams that you guys see online. There's just no way to do that, okay? So never pay for stuff. Don't fall for those scams. Now, if you guys search for that, you guys might come around with jailbreaking. Okay, if you guys see that online, yes, jailbreaking is great. However, it's still not gonna let you update to the latest iOS. Jailbreaking will just open up a whole new world for you. But I usually only recommend that for older iDevices because I used to jailbreak my stuff all the time. Don't do it anymore, but it was very fun when I used to do it back in the day. But anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.